అందరికీ నమస్కారం. నేను మీ సౌరిష్ని. ఈరోజు మనం భగవద్గీత గురించి తెలుసుకుందాం. Why Bhagavad Gita? Understanding the timeless principles of the Bhagavad Gita can help both adults and children deep insight into the hows and the whys of life. The ideal given to children in their early childhood alone can again and again inspire them in their future years of life and supply them with the courage to face their problems, the guts to pursue their purposes diligently, faith in themselves and in their country, and the heroism to live and act according to their own convictions. The Bhagavad Gita is the discourse that takes place between Lord Krishna and Arjuna before the Kurukshetra war commences. Teachings by Lord Krishna helped in changing Arjuna's perspective about life and his life path. Life lessons from the Bhagavad Gita. Development of right perspective. Just before the commencement of the war of Kurukshetra, Arjuna felt confused and dejected. He refused to fight the epic of war as he failed to visualize the outcome of his actions. Shri Krishna's words helped him perceive things in the right way and understand what he should do, why he should do it, and his role in the scheme of things.
From the teachings of Bhagavad Gita, the children can be to look at situations from the different point of views of others and take action accordingly.
Understand that change is the law of nature. According to the Gita, the only thing constant is change. Everything from body, feelings, emotions, and perceptions is born to undergo change even if adamantly oppose it. To be successful, we need to adapt to new situations, innovate, and explore.
Children can be taught to accommodate changes by answering their questions about evolution, reassuring them changes would take time to occur, and explaining them positive outcomes of these changes.
Tolerance and forgiveness are essential. In Bhagavad Gita, Lord Krishna teaches Arjuna that patience can help one face the hardships of life with equanimity and stop one from using force even after being continuously provoked, while forgiveness helps one combat the feelings of hatred. Both these qualities help in maintaining relationships, develop feelings of empathy and love.
Children can be taught the values of tolerance and forgiveness through stories and instances narrated in the Gita.
Change the way you think. Positive thoughts can help in achieving a balanced perspective, confidence, overcome negativity, and achieve goals. So, negative thoughts should be fought by being grateful, meditating, reading positive literature.
Children can be taught to fix a positive attitude by being flexible in thinking and approaching a problem.
Stay calm. Lord Krishna advised Arjuna to stay calm as a quiet mind helps one in controlling the impulses, stay undisturbed in any situation. It also helps in thinking clearly, weighing options, and channelize energy towards gainful endeavors.
Children often get upset over minor issues. They can be taught to stay calm by practicing techniques like taking deep breath, counting backwards from 100 to 1, or taking a break.
Work for the welfare of others. Arjuna was advised by Shri Krishna that the world is one family, Vasudhaiva Kutumbam. Our actions should be directed in a way to make the world a better place.
To help the kids understand this, make them participate in activities like donating toys and clothes, helping pets, and engaging in voluntary activities.
Be fearless. Fear primarily arises out of lack of knowledge and the inability to manage emotions. So, it is essential to understand the unknown and overcome the fear and hesitation.
Without sufficient information, children worry, feel scared, and become anxious. Encourage them to share their worries and concerns.
Manage anger. Anger leads to confusion. It decreases the clarity of thought and distracts one from pursuing goals.
Teach your child anger management techniques like belly breathing, practicing yoga, and ways of reminding themselves that anger won't solve problems.
Dream big. Focus, dream big, and indulge in unwavering effort to make that dream come true.
Encourage the little ones to dream big in ways like creative play, dream diary, sharing dreams and aspirations, and helping them in managing failure.
అందరికీ ధన్యవాదాలు నా వీడియో చూసినందుకు. మీకు నచ్చితే షేర్ చేయండి, లైక్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి.